Okay, let's try and do this now. I'm going to try and make an article using Koala AI. That will help make your article writing a lot easier. And I'm going to introduce and go through some steps, and then going to upload it and see how it turned out. So just follow my links here. And in the end of the video, I'm going to show you my next favorite tools for doing affiliate marketing. When you make content for affiliate marketing, you can make content on a blog with text and words that are being indexed by Google, and then it shows up in Google search result, and people click on your links, and then they go to the website, they read your article, and then they can maybe find a link to a product that you are affiliating for. You could also do videos on TikTok or videos on YouTube. You can also do some Instagram posts, or you can even do Pinterest. But today I will focus on making content for a blog. And I have an example here. I've been writing on my blog, 5 weeks old. I'm writing an article every day, and to help me produce the articles, I'm using a very smart tool that I'm going to show you in a moment. So just follow along, and I will go through writing an article with the tool I'm using online, and then I'm going to upload it, and you can see how it turned out. It's a very nice tool, and it's going to be your blogging a lot easier. Let's go ahead, and I will show you on the screen how I'm going to use this tool for my blog. Okay, let's try now and look at this website here. It's about fitness equipment, and I'm writing an article every day. This website is around 5 weeks old. So what I'm going to do is using a tool to make the blogging, making the articles easier to write. So I have this article here. It's in Danish, but never mind. It has a heading and some text. It also has some subheadings, a nice picture. Here we have some internal links that goes to other websites on my website. This is really good. Google loves these internal links here. And then we have a link here. It's for an affiliate website that I'm working with. And I also have some other affiliate links here. And I have some more text, very informative about how you can do these exercises. And then there will be some internal links that go to other articles on my platform. The internal links are really important because Google likes internal links because it helps the reader move around in the text to other related texts. So in the end, I have a little list of my latest uploads of my articles. So let's try and make an article with the help of that AI tool I'm using. So I'm going to say add, and here my article is ready to be uploaded. So I go to my Koala AI helping tool. It has different functions in here. You can make pictures. You can make magnets to stick to your website. That's going to help the user, like an AI chatbot. It can help you set up certain tools that can help and give the user a better experience on your website. You can try it out. Play with it. Then there's the writer. And then we have the Koala chat also. I prefer this Koala writer. I have tried 5 or 6 different ones, but this writer is really good. So when you're going to make an article, you're going to go down here and you can choose the GPT 3.5. It makes good articles. If you want to make it even better, you can use the GPT 4.0. They recommend that. But it uses 2 times more words per articles. So very fast, your words can be used up. This is how much you have per month if you're on the $49 plan. And I've used this one over here. So at the moment, I'm using the 3.5, and I think it makes really good articles. And I'm gonna last longer for now. So here you can say what article type you want to make. For this instance, I'm gonna make a blog post. You can also make, like, for example, a listicle, like 10 fun dog facts or something like that, or 7 best tools for woodworking or something like that. You can also do local places roundup. You can make some Amazon product roundup. You can actually make a review of an Amazon link you enter here, and then it will rewrite a review for that, and you can upload directly to your product reviews on your blog from a single product, and then you can insert an affiliate link to a certain Amazon product and get 5 to 10% for every product you sell. This is a very nice feature, I must say. Another great thing that you can do, and this is mind-blowing in my mind here, you can actually enter a YouTube video, and it will extract the content and it will extract the content and it will rewrite it as a blog text. And you can make it in any languages you want. For my instance, I can use Danish, but I can take that video and make it into any language I want. This is also an amazing tool. And then you can simply enter a blog post. It will rewrite that blog post so you don't have copy content on your blogs. Or you can do it in other languages if you have several blogs, for example, Danish and English. But for my instance, I'm going to make a blog post. And here you can target your keyword. I'm going to write a blog post. It's going to be an article about how to get a six-pack. How to get a six-pack. Okay. Then I'm going to go down here and I want to use that AI-powered function that helped me generate my text for Google. And then I'm going to put in my domain. So now the text will be generated with internal linking because it's going to look at my domain for other articles that is related. That is amazing.